Hi everyone! Have you ever wanted to remove some people on your picture to make your picture look better? Unlock the photo editing experience with advanced erasing tools from Picsart in Paint and Picsman. These apps offer powerful features to remove text and people from your images. Now, I will show you how to use them. Let's get started. The first one is Picsart. On the home page, click Remove Object here and select the image you want to retouch. Then manually apply the part you want to remove. When you are done, remember to click Remove. Here, the part has been perfectly done. The second one is in Paint. Click Upload Image on the home page and select the picture to open. Pull left and right to adjust the size of the brush and paint the characters that need to be erased. Click Erase and wait the system processing. The characters were successfully erased. Next, let's get to Picsman. Click Remove People in the toolbar and import the picture. The system will automatically identify the things that may need to be removed. The user only needs to select the part you want to erase and then click Remove. The person has been perfectly erased. Thanks for watching. That's all for the video. Let's dive into these tools and discover the best way to perfect your pictures.